Hello students, I am Sasibhushan Misra, available to teach you the remaining part of trigonometry. This is the second last exercise within a week, or you can say within 10 days the trigonometry will be over. So just see, this is a very important problem written already. Alpha beta are the roots of this equation. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C, and prove that first and second, two things to be proved, and there are term conditions. There are certain term conditions may be given, but this is the question. Alpha beta are the roots of this. Prove that first and second. Now putting alpha beta for theta, since the roots are the values of theta, so if alpha and beta are substituted for theta, then we get A cos alpha plus B sin alpha. First theta is equal to alpha. See, again beta, putting beta for theta, A cos beta plus B sin beta is equal to C. Now see the proof. In the proof, C is not required, only A, B, A, B, A, B are required. So elimination of C is necessary. So just subtract to eliminate C. A common, cos alpha minus cos beta, B common, sin alpha minus sin beta. Now there is a formula for cos C minus cos D. This is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 plus B. Again there is a formula for sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Now you can take common 2 common, sin alpha plus beta and sin alpha plus beta both are common. So we are left with minus A sin alpha plus beta and plus B cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Now this in big box, when transferred to right side, it becomes 0 remains 0. So we can write this is equal to, this second bracket is equal to 0. This is transferred to right side, 0 is as usual. Now transfer negative to right side, it becomes positive. So cos by sin is equal to cot alpha plus beta is equal to A by B. So cot means the base is A and B, perpendicular is B. So get hypotenuse by formula Pythagoras theorem. So this is hypotenuse. Now move towards this. See how we get cos alpha plus beta. There is a formula for cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos square alpha plus beta minus sin square alpha plus beta by 2 by 2. You know, just since cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So this has been used. This concept has been used to write the formula for this. Cos square x, 2x becomes x, so alpha plus beta becomes alpha plus beta by 2. And again 2x becomes x, so alpha plus beta becomes alpha plus beta by 2. Now putting the value of cos alpha plus beta, A by this whole square minus sin B by this whole square. So on simplifying we get this RHS proved. Now come to the second. Again we use this formula, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So just see how this formula is used to write this. 2x becomes x, likewise alpha plus beta becomes alpha plus beta by 2. This angle is the angle alpha plus beta by 2. So this is for alpha plus beta by 2. So again sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to this by this, and cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to this by this. So when simplified we get this as your answer. Now moving towards the another problem. Just see another problem, children. This is 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x, cosec x plus cot x whole square. See how it is proved. Now, to give the proof, let it be removed from the board. Yes, now the formula for this, we know that 1 plus, just see the formula, this is starting from LHS, 1 plus cos x, this is 2 cos square x by 2 by 1 minus cos x, this is 2 sin square x by 2. 2 cancelled, and cos by sin is equal to cot. So cot square x by 2. So LHS is ready. Now coming to RHS. Cosec x. Cosec x is 1 by sin x plus cot x. Cos x by sin x. And the whole square will remain as usual. Now see, this is equal to 1 plus cos x by sin x whole square. Again putting the value of 1 plus cos x as you were substituted here. This is 2 cos square x by 2 by putting the value of sin x, 2 sin x cos x by 2 by 2. So this is whole square, 2 cancelled. Now simplify this. This is cos x by 2 into cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 into sin x by cos x by 2 whole square. 1 cos x by 2 cancelled, and cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is equal to cot x by 2. So cot x by 2 whole square. So this is again we are getting cot square x by 2. So see from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 both are equal. So our proof is conducted. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now moving towards another problem. One more. Students, you must know this is the original formula. 1 plus cos 2x. Earlier we have used this. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x. This is 2 sin square x. On the basis of this, I have written the value this and this. In case of 2x, angle becomes x. In case of x, angle becomes x by 2. So there should not be any problem. One more question. Cos x by 1 minus sin x. Third number. So this is cos x by 1 minus sin x is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Just see how it is answered. Removing this from the board, unnecessary. Just see cos x, the formula for cos x, this is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by 1 minus sin x, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. This is your LHS. The students should note that cos 2x, the formula for cos 2x we know, cos square x minus sin square x. So this has been used to write the formula for cos x. In case of 2x, x angle has been taken. In case of x, x by 2 has been taken. At the same time, 1 plus sin 2x is equal to cos x plus sin x whole square. And in case of minus, here will be minus. So for minus we use this formula. For this sin, 1 minus sin, 1 minus this, we have taken this. As soon as it will be 2 is cancelled, this will be by 2 and by 2. So written by 2. Now factorization of this, factorize this. This gives you cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. A plus b into a minus b plus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and once more cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Just see, one is cancelled and we are left with this. Now you need tan. So divide by cos x by 2. Divide by cos x by 2 to numerator, denominator. Just see what happens when divided by this. Cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is 1. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. And denominator, this cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is 1 minus, and this sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 becomes tan x by 2. So this is your LHS first. Now move towards RHS. RHS is tan. Let me write fresh RHS. This is your rough work. This was your rough work. RHS. Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. Now you know the value of tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan x by 2. 1 minus tan x by 2. So this is your second. Just see, students, the LHS is equal to RHS. So thank you very much. Continue watching if trigonometry if you are the students of 11. If not, you can transfer among all those who are the students of class 11 mathematics. Nowadays trigonometry is going on. In other classes once more trigonometry will go, and further let us see for in between 15 days I will finish the entire trigonometry. Thank you very much. Thank you, students. We will meet once.